today we're at the Saugatuck in Saugatuck, Michigan. You can see it's raining. In fact, you know, there's water over my my screen here. It's raining pretty good. We got 8 knots of wind and about 8 miles of visibility. So we're going to test out how water resistant are the DJI drones. We're going to start with the Spark. It's a little windy, got a little bit of gusts. There he goes.
Landing.
As you can see, the DJI Spark flew extremely well in 8 knots of wind while being pounded by rain. Join us next time as we test the DJI Mavic Air in the same environment.